Quick. You mash up the kitchen.
Hello, and welcome to Eat Like a Local from Uber Eats, the show that helps you discover new dishes and delivers them straight to your door. My name's Jackson, and I'm the founder of Black Eats London, the UK's first and only black-owned restaurant directory. I'm in Manchester today to meet Jake, former customer turned owner of Jerk Junction.
I can't wait to try Miss Ivy's famous curry goat.
What makes it so special? Let's go in and find out.
Obviously, when you come down here and you have a plate of the food and you've got Miss Ivy in the back, it feels like you're actually back home in Jamaica. And every time she cooks the food, it's made with just a lot of love and effort.
Jake was telling me that, you don't even measure anything, you're just doing it
nothing.
freestyle.
Everything just like that. No measuring cup, nothing at all.
That's how.
Because I'm cooking from a child growing up, so I know what limit to put in it.
So you measure with your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, and then
Your mind.
And where did you even learn to make curry goat?
Well, from a child growing up, my granddad was a busher. Alright, so learning from my grandma and my granddad coming up. Yeah. I remember my mom, I was the first one for my mom, so I have to learn to cook for everybody in the family. Yeah. And I go to school and I do home economic, so I learn to cook.
What do you think the importance is of bringing authentic Caribbean food to Manchester? Because I know there's a lot of food that's around it, it's authentic.
Yeah.
But
when I just come in this country, a lot of Jamaican food wasn't in this country when I just come here. But now, it's climbing.
Okay, is this a special then, or is it a bestseller, or?
I'd say, yeah, it's probably one of our best sellers is curry goat.
Yeah.
First, probably jerk chicken.
All right, let me dig in.
Good.
Don't just take my word for it. Try it now at home.